Welcome back once again, class. Now, after your today's maths and your sketching class, it's time to begin with our today's EVS class. And in EVS, we were learning about different animals. So, can anyone tell me what are the two different types of animals we have? Yes, can we keep all the animals at home or do all animals live in jungle? No. Yes, we have two different type of animals. I told you. Those who can live near to our homes or those who live with us, and the other one is the one who live in jungle. You cannot keep them with you. So which are those two types of animals? The first one is domestic or farm animals. वो animals, the one who can live with us, the one we keep at home, they help us in one or the other way. And the second type of animals we have is wild animals or the one who live in forest. We call them forest animals also. Those ones we cannot keep at home. Can you keep a lion, tiger or rhinoceros or hippopotamus at home? No, we cannot. We cannot keep a bear at home. So all these are wild animals. But if we talk of domestic or farm animals, we have dog, cat, duck, pig, sheep. Isn't it? These are all the one who help us in our work, or they are giving us some or the other product to make our life easy, which we have also learned. So what are we going to do today? Today we are going to have a revision of these two types of animals, and we will see who are the animals who live on farm and one that live in jungle. So let's begin with the work then. Let's start identifying one by one these animals, and then we will see where they live. Okay? Let's begin with the work. So class, now let's learn about different farm or domestic animals. So the animals that live near to our homes are domestic animal, or you can call them farm animal. The first we have is a cow. Can anyone tell me what cow gives us? Cow gives us milk. And can you see where a cow lives? Cow lives in a shed. Can you see this picture? This is the picture of a shed. And the young one of a cow, the small baby cow, is called a calf. Is that clear? So here we have a picture of a cow. What is the sound of a cow? Cow makes moo. Sounds like this. And cow gives us milk. What they like to eat? They like to eat green grass. Now, the next one we have is a dog. Woo, 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 woo. Isn't it a sound? We all know dogs are so friendly to us. They guard our homes. जो dog हैं वो क्या करते हैं? They guard our homes. जो भी कभी कोई unknown person आता है तो what happened? Dog starts barking. What they like to eat? They like to eat bones. Isn't it? Can you see what's it? It's a puppy, the baby dog. We call it puppy. And this is the house of a dog, and it is called kennel. What we call it? Kennel. Next we have is meow. Meow. So who it can be? Yes, it's a cat. And you know, the young one or the baby cat is called kitten. Can you see a cute little baby cat? We call it a kitten. And these cats, they love to sleep in baskets. So the basket is like their home. They like to drink lot of milk. आप उनको जितना milk दोगे, they'll finish up all. And you know how these cats help us? They protect our grains and crops from rodents. So जब भी farmers अपने farm पे field पे grains उगाते हैं तो they cut it. I told you ना on the harvesting festival बैसाखी they cut all the crop and what happened, वो उसको सबको store करते हैं. फिर क्या होता है, वहाँ पे rats हो जाते हैं, rodents, और चूहा उन्हें खराब करते हैं. तो what happens, cat क्या करती है, उन grains को और crops को बचाती है चूहों से. Clear? Next one we have is a duck. Quack 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 quack. So do you know, this is a duck, and these baby ducks, what they are called? They are called ducklings. What we call them? Ducklings. And the pond is their house. They live in ponds. Clear? And you know what these ducks give us? They give us meat, they give us eggs. Clear? Next we have is a hen. So what a hen do? Click, 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 click is the sound of a hen. And you know, hen's baby, what we call them? Chick. Can you see a mama hen with some chicks here? And these hen, they live in a coop. This is the house of a hen. We call it a coop. What these hens they like to eat? They like to eat vegetables and grains. Next we have is a horse. Can you see a horse here? Yes, we have a horse. And what is the baby of a horse called? The baby of a horse is called foal. So horse is mama and foal is a baby. And these horse, they live in a stable. Where this horse love to live? The house of these horse is called stable. And they like to eat grass. Clear? Next we have is a sheep. Can you see a sheep here? We all sing a rhyme. Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. So what a sheep give? Sheep gives us wool. And these wool is used in making sweaters. Now see, winter season is approaching. It has begun and we all are wearing sweaters these days. So उस sweater को बनाने के लिए जो wool चाहिए होता है, from where we get? We get from a sheep. So sheep. And what is the baby sheep called? Baby sheep is called a lamb. It's not P, it's B, lamb. And where a sheep live? Sheep lives in pen. Can you see the house? So this is called a pen. Next we have is a pig. Wow, isn't it? And the baby pig is called piglet. What the baby pig is called? Piglet. So the sound made by pig is wink wink, wink wink. And you know what they like to eat? They like to eat the leftover food. जो हमारा पहले दिन का खाना होता है, जो बच जाता है, they like to eat that. And what we get from these pigs? Pork, leather, medicines. These are the things we get from pig. And these pig they live in stay. क्या होता है? Stay में रहना पसंद करते हैं, where there is lot of sludge, कीचड़ में, and they love playing there. So class, now let's learn about some animals that live in jungle, or we can also call them wild animals. The first one we have is King of Jungle. So who is the king of jungle? Lion. Can you see this picture? It's the picture of a lion. And lion is said to be the king of jungle. Next we have is the picture of our national animal. Who is it? It's a tiger. Can you see these black stripes on his body? This is the mark with which we can identify that yes, it's a tiger. And you all know tiger is our national animal. And if we talk about lion, you can see there are so many hairs around its face. That makes us recognize it as the king of jungle. I have told you how we can identify a tiger with this striped body. Now the next wild animal we have is a giraffe. Giraffe is an animal that has a long neck. Can you see in the picture? Can you see the neck of giraffe? It's really very long. And if you will look here carefully, you will see giraffe eats all the top leaves of a tree. The leaves that are on the topmost branches of a tree is eaten by giraffe because its neck is very long. After giraffe, we have bear. Now, who is it? It's a bear and we call it bhalu. You know what these bears love to eat? They love eating honey. And what they do whenever there is a beehive in jungle on any tree, what they do, they sit there and wait for honey. मधुमक्खी का जो भी छत्ता, beehive, कहीं पर भी आपको जंगल में होगा, you'll always find bear near around. Next we have is a panda. Panda is somewhat similar like bears, but they are a little bit lazy. Most of the time you can find them sleeping. They are white and black in color and they like to eat bamboos, bass. So they like eating bamboos, and these pandas, they are white and black in color. Next we have is a kangaroo. So, you know who is a kangaroo? An animal that carries a small baby in its pouch. आप ये देख रहे हो kangaroo? There is a stomach and the stomach is having a pouch. एक pocket बना होता है, and the baby kangaroo, the foal, is always in this pouch. Once they grow up, they come out of the mama's pouch. And these kangaroos, they don't walk. They jump very high. So kangaroo is an animal that carries baby in a pouch. Now, next we have is an elephant, an animal with long nose and ears. Isn't it? Can you see this trunk? This is the nose of an elephant. They hold things from here. And can you see these fan-like things? They are the ear of elephant. Can you see this baby elephant? They always hold mama's trunk or tail when they walk. And these are the long teeth. But they are not for eating. They are just ivory teeth here. Clear? So these are a few wild animals we have learnt about, and I hope you have understood who are wild animals. The animals that live in jungle.